What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam POV, and the title of the video is how to end your relationship in one night. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
On May 13th, 2023, officers responded to a residence after a report of a domestic dispute. The crazy girlfriend called police, but she didn't expect this outcome.
I got the wheels. I did call them. I'm not gonna let you be. We just got into a physical fight.
All right, what happened?
No, we didn't. She cut me.
It's knives and everything.
She cut me.
It's two knives. We both just had one at each other.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't.
We both, yes we did.
No, we didn't.
I was swinging, yes. Because
No, I didn't. I was sitting here.
So we weren't just sitting there fighting.
On my kids. You put it on
We were just sitting there fighting.
No, we wasn't.
Yes, the
No,
we
you
was.
almost
I
slapped
ran
me.
straight to the knife because your big hands.
Sir, come out here and talk to me.
Your hands are not finna
Let's go this way.
beat me. You're not finna do that. I ain't got no
Hey,
protection.
let's go this
I
way.
don't have no protection. We can. We can go here or there. This
All right, what happened? Seat there if you want. What's going? Tell me what happened after I left.
Nothing. She came over and said, we can't stay here. You can't stay here. I said, I just want to go to sleep.
Okay. How'd you get cut?
And then she cut me. She brought the lights in there.
Okay, so we're skipping some stuff. You said, I asked you specifically what happened when we left, and you said nothing, and then it escalated to she kept saying, and then she brought the knives in there. So
I can't stay here. And I was trying to go to sleep. And she said that we both can't stay here.
okay, and you can't go anywhere because you're too damn drunk.
I don't want to, I just wanted to go to sleep.
And she ain't gonna have that.
And she
So what happened
brought
after that?
knives and she cut me.
So she got even more ramped up, went and got the knives and cut you on the arm.
She said, "Cause both of us ain't gonna stay."
Let me look at the cut. I don't think it's too bad, but you feel like you need an ambulance or anything?
No, sir.
All right.
As soon as y'all walk, y'all just walked out.
You going
y'all
to jail.
the same ones that just walked out. Y'all walked out. We closed it out. We were still, when y'all left, we were still kind of arguing.
Why didn't y'all break up like we told you to?
What do you mean?
We told you guys to just go to separate rooms.
We both still going back and forth. That's what I'm saying. It's not going to be like that. We're not just going to be able to just go in two separate rooms and be done. That's why I wanted somebody to leave.
That's why we were also saying that you had the option to, even if it's not permanent, for your safety.
I'm not going to drive nowhere. I've been drinking. We both been drinking.
You don't have anybody that could come get you?
I'm not going to wake my people up because at the end of the day, this is my place. All he have to do is leave.
I get that, but if it's obvious that he's not leaving, is your pride worth your safety?
Well, we just have to stay at home
because now it's gonna look a lot different. Because now we have somebody that's cut. So how did that happen?
Right when y'all walked out the door, we got into it.
Okay.
And I ran straight through, and we both grabbed her. We were both just swinging like that. Both of us on the sofa, like right there, just swinging. And once we stopped, I ran right here to the table to get my phone, and I dialed 911 again. And I came back here, and I was on the phone with the lady. He was back standing right there, like ain't nothing happened. Like you ain't just punching me and all this.
So how did he end up with the cut on his arm?
We both had the knife. It's two knives. It's not just one.
I get there's two knives, but there's one cut. So how did that happen?
Because we both was like this. We both was like this.
Okay.
I don't know what.
If you could just sit at the table for me, all right?
All right. Are you hurt anywhere else? Was there any other physical contact?
This cold.
I know that was. Was there any other hitting, pushing, shoving, anything like that? So she started ramping up, went and got the knives.
I didn't get no knife. I didn't go to the kitchen.
I said she got ramped up. She went and got the knife.
And she went and got another knife.
Why did you go grab a knife?
She went and grabbed another knife.
So where did the first knife come from?
Her. When she cut me, then she went and got another knife. Because when she cut me, I grabbed that knife. And then she went and got another knife.
So after she cut you, what happened?
She went and got another knife.
Why did she need another knife?
Because I got grabbed the first knife. I'm trying to tell them.
Okay.
No.
Leading up to her going to get the first knife and cutting you, was there any other physical contact, anything like that?
No, sir.
None at all.
She just don't want me here. She just don't want me here. See? She just don't want me here.
She got any injuries? You see his arm?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it.
No, sir. No, sir.
You stay here. You sit there and don't move.
All right, man. If you go,
It's like talking to your kid. He like a little kid in this situation, like, cause he don't want her locked up. Obviously, you know, no man wants they lady locked up, even though whatever type of abuse that the man actually goes through or whatever. But that was funny. I gotta rewind that. No, you sit right there.
You see his arm?
mm-hmm.
Let's do it. No, sir. No, sir.
You stay here. You sit there and don't move.
All right, man. If you go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
What? What am I arrested or something?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
Ag assault.
Aggravated assault.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Start bringing knives into
We
into
both
an
brought
argument.
knives. Can I lock my door?
79 cents short, 10.95.
He lives here. No, we can't lock him out.
Can I grab my phone? Can y'all just put my phone in my property?
We'll work on that in a second.
It's right there sitting on the table. I just want to be able to
I
get
got
my
you.
bed
We'll
number
get
out
it.
there.
Just go this way. I think he was in the first call, but I was gonna grab it again anyways. Alright, here, if you just put your chest against the car for me. Do you have anything on you that's gonna cut me, poke me?
What's your date of birth?
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
What's your date of birth?
I'm gonna use the back of my hand, okay?
1997.
Yeah, I had to get out.
Well, we gave her every opportunity to separate herself
She kept
from
on
you,
calling me.
and she didn't want to do that. So I got his 1043. If you want to talk to him and get his story this go round.
Because, you know, we were just here.
I love him.
Well, that's why we were trying to get you guys to separate. And when people can't be adults, this is usually what happens. Because even when we were leaving, you heard us. We said, hey, just go to separate rooms. If neither of you guys wants to leave tonight, you still need to figure out a way to separate, right? This is what we were trying to avoid. So after we left, what happened?
I don't want to go to jail, though.
I mean, it's already, once we get involved, there's no taking it back. Because if you neither of you wanted somebody to go to jail, y'all would have sorted it out without having to call us, right? But now that we're here,
I don't want to call him, y'all.
I mean, she called, but that happens sometimes. She called because y'all couldn't separate. We get here, you got a cut on your arm. She's fine. That's just how it goes. So like I said, what ended up happening? Because she's going regardless. So I just want to at least get your story. Nothing. All right.
I love her, and I have to come to her.
Well, I would recommend in the future you might just have to find something else to do, man, because this is not healthy. I'm sure you know it. Right, and I'm sure she could do better with her own problems. You could do better with your own problems. But obviously, the two of y'all together is It's an explosive combination, right? Because, like I said, now you got cut, and you don't want an ambulance or anything for that, because you get that infected, that could be a whole other problem.
It's already a whole other problem because I'm gonna let go to work, go to jail. And all I want to do is just calm down if I love.
Yeah, like I said, that's
You know that
we
I
tried to
stay
talk
calm
to
the whole
y'all.
time.
Yeah, we tried to talk to you guys, but
Just let it just go to sleep.
Did she ask for anything besides your phone?
she just asked for her phone in her property. In her property, yeah. So
Alright, I got both knives because I didn't know which one.
okay.
Dude, I heard him talking to you. This ain't gonna work. So if you got somewhere else you can go, you need. My recommendation is you go there. If you don't, my recommendation is you look for somewhere because this is just gonna get worse. You know, this time it was her that crossed the line, but the way y'all go back and forth and as hard-headed as both of you are, it could be you going across the line next time. And eventually somebody's gonna get hurt bad. And it ain't worth that when all you gotta do is find somewhere else to go stay. So sober up, figure that out. She ain't gonna get out tonight, so there ain't no point in you working on trying to get her out tonight or anything like that. Go sleep it off. Deal with her tomorrow. All right.
I'm gonna get down there and get out.
Well,
I got the money, but I have.
if you got somewhere else to go, let that be her problem. It's up. I mean, it's up to you. I don't know what y'all's history is, but this ain't working. Somebody's gonna end up hurt bad, or killed.
They want me calling the police.
I know what. She's the one that ramped herself up tonight and got to the point she did. But if y'all had separated,
All right, there's no point in talking to him, man. He in love, you know what I'm saying? He love her, man. Kitty cat, you know, he hooked, man. Got him hooked. You know, she threw it on him, got him hooked. They in love, whatever. She gonna get out. They gonna be back together until they get drunk again or whatever, and then they just gonna keep going in that revolving circle, man. But there's no point in talking to him right now. You know, there's no point in talking to him. Like, this is just a waste of time, honestly.
she would. Either one of you could have made that choice early on when we first came out here, and neither one of you wanted to. So that's why we're here.
But before you came, I was trying to figure out something.
Yeah, you were. But bottom line, it didn't happen.
She went. It just hers. No matter what a man do, I guess. Just don't.
Go get you some sleep. Clean that cut, since you don't want an ambulance to do it. Clean that up. Get some sleep. Anything else we can do for you? All right. You're good to go back inside whenever you get ready.
This isn't your card right here, is it? The debit card in the seat, that's not yours? Okay. Yeah, and I got your phone right here. I'll put it in your back pocket for you, all right?
The suspect was booked for aggravated assault.
Man. Crazy, ain't it? Crazy. Yeah, it's just, they in love. You know what I mean? Damn, he was born in '97. That make me feel old, man. I'm a '94 baby. But anyways, yeah, I'm getting old, man. Anyway, I get officers, man. I get officers a 3, only because they had to come back again. So I don't know why something wasn't settled the first time. You know what I'm saying? Because typically with domestic violence or whatever, them getting into a fight or whatever, like, one of them leaves. You know, one of them gotta leave. You know what I mean? Like, so I don't know why they gave them the opportunity for this to happen. You know what I'm saying? Because this could have been, yeah, it was just a nice little cut or whatever, but If you was there, imagine if it was bad, real bad. You was there for a domestic dispute. You let them stay, just go to separate rooms, whatever. And then what if somebody ended up dead? Somebody gonna be in trouble. Somebody gonna be reprimanded for that, because that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? That's definitely crazy. So they get a 3, but it's between 2 and 3, honestly. But how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.